There are those who celebrate to mark a historical feat, and many others do so for personal fulfillment. But the rituals of celebrations docked at the harbor of history when in 1923, the then Prince Edward of Wales performed the ceremonial chore of flicking a switch to activate the Rotherham Power Station, a brainchild of Lilleker brothers, a local electrical engineering company that was founded in England in 1919. But even today, the drums of celebrations are not muted, as this organization, which began as a two-brother family business in the UK, now has its name fully inducted into the vibrant Nigerian economy because of its mission statement to have every piece of world-class engineering in Nigeria boldly display the Lilleker emblem is a reality. Lilleker brothers first appeared in the engineering landscape of Nigeria in 1975 when it was invited by a UK contractor to execute a contract for the design and building of hotels in the ancient cities of Kano and Zaria. On successful completion of those projects and based on the vote of confidence from industry watchers, Lilleker Brothers Nigeria Limited was formed and duly registered in the highest category of works with the federal and state authorities, providing further a wide range of masterpiece engineering solutions and customer care for governments of federal and state parastatals, tertiary educational institutions, banks, hotels and hospitals in major cities across Nigeria. At about its inception in Nigeria, Lilleker rode on the back of its emerging reputation to win the bid for the supply of a huge order to the Ahmadu Bello University for its College of Medicine and state-of-the-art 1,000-bedroom teaching hospital. And like an alluring fragrance, news of that education sector-based performance reaches neighboring Sokoto State, prompting an invitation to the company to design and build the entire Sokoto University complex, which it went on to complete most satisfactorily and on schedule too. As further show of confidence in the Lilleker brand of services, the Sokoto state government expressly awarded the firm the contract that saw to the building of the main market as well as installing street lighting along major Sokoto highways. In the recent times, however, the engineering acumen of Lilleker Brothers is consistently being summoned to the contractual table to effect works in divergent areas of specialty, locations, and for a multifaceted clientele.
You know, the whole idea started in 2007 when Mrs. Lilleker gave us an holistic proposal on illumination. That is, we wanted to power our street light using IPP, independent power. So they gave us this holistic proposal whereby I think they were talking about 3,000 streets, or 3,000 kilometers of roads, something like that. Okay. But when we looked at it, we discovered that the proposal was huge. So we decided to face them. And our first project was Mobolaji Bankantoni. And immediately after Mobolaji Bankantoni, the people of Lagos appreciated what His Excellency, the Governor of Lagos State, Mr. Raji Babatunde Raji Fashola, SAN, did.
Lagos is now it's a now city, and it's a new city. Moreover, and I think a co-nipachi.
Like in several other states of the Federation, large-scale World Bank-assisted water projects had been designed and completed in Calabar and Enugu. Furthermore, one area where the pros of the company have been hogging the headlines is in street lighting. I mean world-class street lighting. Lilleker Brothers Nigeria Limited is currently engaged in the systematic chore of adorning Lagos with its reputation of City of Lights. Its status already credited to New York, Las Vegas, and Paris.
Like I said, you see, you really cannot quantify, what we've done, because if you're on the street of Lagos, you discover that just because of our own carelessness, by carelessness I'm talking about even the center, because if there is no power from PACN, you now have a reckless driver, on the road, who for his own care, not due to his own fault, happens to knock down somebody. You can't quantify such things. So I think from that approach, we decided that it is a must that we illuminate our street lights. And two, it also allows for visibility at night. It curbs crimes at night. It allows for beautification too, because if you go to Funshaw Williams at night, you won't believe yourself. Even on Mobolaji Bankantun, you won't believe yourself. Even Oshodi, you won't believe yourself. Awolowo Road, you won't believe yourself. These are areas where Lilleker worked for us.
In Calabar, the company's long-standing relationship with the government finds unwavering expression in the installation of street lighting utility along Marion Road, MCC Road, Murtala Mohammed Highway, Parliamentary Road, Bogobri Road, and the Airport Road, all of which are major routes in the Kenan city. In the line of duty, Lilleker Brothers Nigeria Limited has put the UJS Stadium in Calabar on the map by fixing it with floodlight